In this digital world, internet users are getting increased exponentially. Most of the people don't know how to use it and they fall into hackers' hands. In this video, we are gonna see 8 ways hackers hack your device. Spam pop-ups. If you are visiting an unsafe website, then you may get certain pop-up which tells that your system has stopped working. Contact Microsoft for further details. Then they will provide your phone number in that pop-up. The pop-up will also be having Microsoft logo in it. You may think that your system has some problem and you may contact that number, but the person on the other side will take full control of your system. Then they will make you to pay them using your bank account. There are certain teams running behind these kind of scam. These teams will be earning $500,000 every month. Some YouTubers like Carl Rock are working hard to expose those scammers. This technique has some hacking involved, but this is moreover a scam. Spy apps. Spy apps are the applications that allow one person to monitor other person. These apps are developed for monitoring corporate employees by their employer or by the management. These apps are used in the systems or mobiles provided by the company so that they can limit employees' access to those devices. Hackers will install these kind of apps in your devices without your knowledge. You may be searching for certain cracked version of your software in the web. You may enter into a website which will be illegal. Then you will find the required cracked software. You will give download and later you will install it. But the file name will be your required software name. The downloaded software will be a spy app or software. Then the hacker will get full control of your device. He will be able to read your WhatsApp conversation, view your gallery, view your bank details. So stay away from illegal websites and cracked software. Spam mail. In our Gmail account, we will be having a separate section called Spam. This folder has mails which came from unauthorized server. Sometimes spam mail may also come from authorized server. These spam mails will be in the primary section. In recent days, you might have heard more about YouTube accounts getting hacked. You would have heard only about big YouTubers, but in reality, many small YouTubers' accounts have also been hacked. Hackers will be sending mail regarding sponsorship to various YouTubers. They get excited and they will do whatever is mentioned in that mail. Those mails will be having links. If you click on that link, it will take you to a page which looks absolutely same as that of Google login page. Then you will put your login details over there and boom, you have given your email ID and password to the hacker. Then they will carry on their duty. Some hackers will be more intelligent. If you click a link, that's enough. Your device control will be with them. Data breach. Data breach can happen for an individual or an organization. If you are leaving your flash drive in a cafe and some other person took that and viewed your photos, it is also a data breach. When data breach happen to an organization, then it may leak millions of users' data. The hackers hack the website and they would take away a lot of data from it. This includes user ID, password. In certain website, you might have given your bank details. If that website data has been breached, then your account balance is at risk. You may end up losing all your money. Organizations put a lot of effort to prevent data breach, but hackers are finding new ways to hack. Additional downloads. This is one of the way of installing spy apps to your device without your knowledge. If you are visiting a website to download MP3 songs or apps, then you may click the download button in that website. It will download the MP3 file. Along with that, it will also download spy application files. You might have encountered this. Chrome will show a pop-up telling that this website is trying to download multiple files. If it shows like that, then you need to cancel that. Better don't visit any illegal websites to download MP3 songs and applications. USB charging. People who travel more will be using USB charging in buses and in bus stand. This is a hotspot for hackers to hack your data. Mostly you will be using the USB cable to connect the adapter which already present in the charging station. The adapter which is already provided in the charging station may have a SD card attached to it. This SD card will have certain programs which will run when you connect your phone. Then data from your phone will be transferred to that SD card. free Wi-Fi. Everyone likes free Wi-Fi. If you find a place where there is free Wi-Fi board, then you will take the position and turn on your Wi-Fi. But public Wi-Fi is also one of the hotspot for hackers. If you are going to a cafe which provides free Wi-Fi, you will start using it. But with the same name, the hacker will show up another Wi-Fi in the same place. You may connect to the hacker Wi-Fi. This will give immense pleasure to the hacker. Even if you are connected to the original free Wi-Fi, the hacker may hack your device. This is because you and the hacker will be connected through the same network. Data theft can be done in an easy way if you are connected in the same network. Fake SMS. This is one of the oldest method of hacking. You will receive SMS from hackers that you have won millions of dollars. They will ask you to fill the details. In that details, your bank details will also be there. You will fill it and send it to the hacker. Then you will realize that the hacker has won millions of dollars from you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment. For further updates, please subscribe to Big Tech Bank.